Hey, it's the big day. Go in for my hernia surgery. Right now it's about 5 a.m. Wednesday morning, July 3rd. So I'll keep you all posted. Heading out the door. About to head to Southfield. Go get this good surgery. It's been a long overdue process. Waited over a month for this, but finally getting it done. No food after 11 p.m. Can't have drinks, water, clear drinks, but can't really do too much eating. Antibacterial soap bath, all that good stuff. So, praying for a successful surgery. I'll holler at y'all guys. Just arrived to the hospital. It's about 5:30, 5:40. Surgery scheduled at 6. Got Big Ange with me. Knock this out the park. Made it to the surgery department. Kind of nervous, I ain't gonna lie. Think I'm about to leave. All set up, ready to go for surgery. Knock this out the park. I'm a little nervous, I can't lie, but oh God, got everything. Got Angel with me again. Gonna get this thing done. Back on the road to recovery. So I'll let y'all when I'm out of surgery. Peace.
Okay, so he is currently out of surgery. I'm going to drive up to the front to pick him up now. They already gave me his medicine and stuff that he needs for recovery. So now we're just on the road to recovery. It basically was about a little bit, as far as the procedure was at least an hour. Recovery was probably like another hour to an hour and a half. And when he got prepped, pretty much once they took him to the back, they said it was like 30 minutes until they actually started operating to make sure that everything was set up properly. So let's go pick him up. All right, bye. How are you feeling? You good?
Yeah.
All right, so we have just made it home. It's definitely been a bumpy ride. He is so far hanging in there, still a little drowsy from the medicine. I do have to pick up just a few more things that he's going to need for his recovery process. But overall, like I said, the surgery went well. And he is still going to have to basically wear off the anesthesia right now. He was in pain. He said his pain level is about a 4. So anyways, we're going to head into the house. And I'll see you guys when we get inside. All right, bye. Okay, we have made it in the house. It's currently 12:21. I started off with the ice packs that we have received from the hospital. These are like the instant ice packs, which I'm actually going to run to the store and grab some more. This is also the ice bag that they give you so that you just put the ice cubes in there, because he definitely has to be iced where his incision is, right where the belly button is, and then also where his hernia was, which was right by the groin. So we're going to make sure that we have to ice that 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. So I just set the timer for the 2 ice packs that I put on him currently. And then we also have the bag of medicine, and I have to also get him something for constipation, because they said that constipation can also happen in the process of the first few days of him being at home. So I'm currently going to give him some, they said, but kind of alternate between the ibuprofen and the Tylenol, and then if he needs the stronger medication, then kind of save that just in case, depending on his pain levels. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and work on that, and I'll try to catch up with you guys later. All right, bye. Okay, so we are back, and it is currently 3:30. And so he has already took his first Motrin. He is trying to kind of like walk around, because the doctor did say to walk around and stay active. I did go to the store, and I got from, I'm gonna just do a quick haul of some of the things that I bought. I found the instant cold press. Then I also found a hot and cold press that you can use that's reusable. I ended up finding these Simply Healthy Choice dinners, because they definitely said that you want to make sure that you eat healthy, no greasy foods, no spicy foods. I also highly recommend, I've tried these right here, these shrimp Alfredo dinners. Super good, super good. Love those. I also make sure what else. Make sure I got him some bananas. Also, we needed another ice tray so that I can fill up his reusable one from the hospital. All you have to do is fill it with ice. And got some bananas. Got him one of his favorite salads. And a few other things that we needed at the house. I also found the Miralax that they told him to have also for constipation. And these are the powder ones. These are supposed to be the ones that have no taste. So we're going to try that. And basically kind of just seeing how he does as far as recovery wise. He will be taking his next Motrin at around 6:30. So anyways, it's just an update. Check you guys out later. Bye. All right, so real quick, he is laying on the couch. Very comfy.
I survived.
All right, so real quick, he wants to show the incisions that he had. All right, so we go into the first incision right here. The second, sorry, right here. Third, and I don't know what this little top one is up here. And then also the belly button area.
They glued me together. They used Elmer school glue because they ran out the surgical glue.
Goodness.
For the most part.
He is standing.
It's a lot of pain, but it's not unbearable. Took, what did I take, babe?
I gave you a Motrin at around 1230.
How many milligrams?
600.
I took a 600 milligram Motrin. It's the only medicine I've taken since I left the hospital. So it's a lot of pain, but it's not unbearable. I don't want to take any of the opioids that they gave me, so I'm gonna just hold off on taking those. But God is good. I'm back, baby.
He's back out here. And I also got him some Qdoba, which without all the extra, unhealthy stuff. But got him some Qdoba, and so he's about to eat. And we'll check you guys out later. Bye.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Casey checking back in. Just want to say happy 4th of July to everybody. Just giving a day 2 update from my surgery yesterday. I'm feeling way much better today. Had to take 1 ibuprofen. Last night I didn't take any pain medicine, so been doing a whole lot better. Still got a small amount of pain. However, it's not, like I said the other day, it's not unbearable. The best thing you can do is just get up, get some steps in, walk around, try to get your body going. They said that's the best way for you to recover. Listen to your body. You don't want to do any strenuous activities. And you also don't want to put too much on your body, but just listen to your body. If you're moving a certain way and it hurts, just don't do it. Everybody's recovery is different. Everybody's body's function is different, but I'm feeling a whole lot better. I was able to go up and down some stairs today. Again, it's only day 2, so I'm still keeping it light, but I feel a whole lot better from yesterday. I have a follow-up visit in 5 days just to, make sure everything is how it's supposed to be. Everything's functioning how it should be. But yeah, everything's looking good, feeling good, day 2, and definitely appreciate my girlfriend. She's been one of the biggest helps I could ever ask for throughout this whole process, making sure that I'm not doing too much, making sure that she's getting everything together that's needed for me. She's been my everything through this process. So fellas, get you a good woman, treat her right, man. God's gift to us, these beautiful women, man. But hey, I'll holler back at y'all. Again, everything is doing good. Happy to be done and back in this recovery process. So I wish everybody the best that's going through this hernia surgery, robotic repair. And just know it's not the end of the road. Again, everybody's bodies function differently. Take your time, but definitely get out there and get some steps in and get back on the road to recovery. I'll holler at y'all. Peace. All right, so I'm back with another update about my hernia surgery. I got my surgery on Wednesday. Today is now Saturday evening. I would say it's going pretty good. I haven't taken any pain medicine today. I think yesterday I may have taken 1 ibuprofen, 600 milligram. That was the last of the pain medicine I've taken. It's been a little discomfort here and there, small amounts of pain, depends on how I move, but it's definitely been a great recovery, I would say. A lot of the things that I was scared of as far as taking a lot of medicine and being in pain every day, and it hasn't been anything like I thought. I've been able to walk up and down the stairs. I went to the park yesterday, did a walk. I think it was about 1.4 miles. Definitely paced myself, slow steps. Took a little while, but was able to go a lap around the park. Got outside, got some steps, walking through the house. So again, everything is doing pretty good. I would say, like I said previously, just pace yourself, take your time. Definitely take some like laxatives and stool softeners, because with the pain medicine, it'll block your bowels and kind of constipate you. So I was able to have a bowel movement yesterday as well as today. So that's definitely helped out a lot. But to anybody that's having this surgery, I would say go into it open-minded. Definitely don't get caught up in the comments and all the videos about how bad it is and the pain you're going to be in and how excruciating it is. I believe it's different for everyone. Everybody's body operates differently, and everybody has a different pain tolerance as well. So I'll say throughout this journey, hasn't been that bad. I can't lie. It hasn't been that bad. Thank God. Definitely use the ice pack. Make sure you're icing it down so you don't have any swelling. I was doing like 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. So that helped a lot with the pain as well. But yeah, it's been a good recovery. Not in any pain, like I said. Everything's looking good. So just appreciate everybody for going through this journey with me. And again, anybody that's having this surgery, make sure you're open-minded. Go into it with a positive attitude. You just follow the precautions and the steps that your doctor has for you, and I'm sure everything will be good. So thanks everybody for checking it out. Hope whoever having this surgery gets through it well. And just appreciate all you guys for being here. Peace.